no cross contamination in here. Okay, honey. Ready? Count of 3, okay? 1, 2. It wasn't that bad, right? It wasn't that bad?
It's burning.
I know. I did the same with Marie. I was like, I count of 3, all right? With you was 2.
I hit this against something.
I know. It looks like the kind of scrape that you get when you were playing outside.
Will it clear?
Hmm. Were you playing with your cat outside and you scrape your knee?
No.
It's not gonna get any better.
What? Oh. You put medicine on it? Well, that feels good, the cold. Will that
Okay,
stay
honey.
now?
Yeah, and there's extra pad and there's extra.
Oh, thank you.
They're giving you supply.
Wow. Thank you.
You
It's
are the man.
it's basic per se.
People don't know how to use basic. That's what they say.
It's just basic. When I'm performing a trichotomy, then an emergent trich, then yeah.
I'm shocked that you didn't apply to be an EMS.
No, that's it.
You talk about that. You gave Kennedy.
But it takes,
They gave Kennedy.
yeah, like a tracheotomy.
Why they gave him because he was already dead.
Yeah.
Okay. They gave
Why would they do that?
because
Thank you.
Okay, welcome,
bullets
baby.
that killed him went through his
I'll let
Of
it
course.
out.
Mwah.
Thank you.